Let's make a fried cabbage. Now I want to show you the differences. What makes this one fried? For our fried cabbage, we want to take you through the process and then show you how we do it. For our fried cabbage, we're going to add a good amount of carrot. Fried cabbage, we're just gonna add a tablespoon of curry. We are really gonna season the carrots. This is where the trick is. You really need to season your carrot. Remember that carrots are actually ground vegetables. They hardly take in flavor. It takes them time to absorb flavor. That's why chakalaka, it's nicer the following day. So you really need to season your carrots a lot. Add herbs if you have to, and then you're gonna add in your cabbage and then add the other herbs just to balance flavor. But make sure that you season your carrots. Don't season your onions. Use different types of herbs. You can use it. You can use 2, you can use 3, whichever way that you prefer. Use herbs instead, and then cook your cabbage with herbs. Avoid using spices if you're cooking cabbage, so that the flavor is going to be really absorbed by the cabbage. This is your best base for your fried cabbage as well. When it's like this, avoid adding oil. Do not add any extra oil, because the carrot has already absorbed all the oil. If you add more oil, the oil is going to be redistributed throughout the entire carrots and cabbage. After some time, when it's simmering, the carrot is going to be released back into the cabbage, and that's why your cabbage is going to be too oily. So leave it like this. Don't add oil. Now for the interesting part, we're going to use all these herbs. I always say, if you're cooking vegetables, avoid using spices. They do not blend well with your vegetables. Rather use herbs. And then what's going to be our salt for this veg is going to be the aromat, and it's going to be the veg seasoning. But then we're going to use only 2 herbs. The mixed herbs, which has got more herbs in. It has got marjoram, sage, thyme, oregano, and it also has some basil. So we're going to add that. Also going to add some rosemary, a bit, not too much. Veg seasoning, aromat. So we've only added half of the herbs and the aromat and the veg seasoning. The other half we're going to add directly onto the cabbage. Now you want to stir. Now our carrot has cooked. We're going to add our cabbage. Remember that the amount of time to cook your carrot is not the same as your cabbage. So we cook the carrot a bit longer, but we want to cook our cabbage for just a few minutes, because we still want it to be al dente while our carrots are fully cooked. Now while you add your carrot, you're also going to add your peppers. You want your carrot